Updating your legal name on KuCoin is a straightforward process that ensures your account information is current and accurate. Follow these steps to complete the update quickly. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account. Access the KuCoin website or app and log in using your credentials. Ensure that you have access to the email or phone number linked to your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is usually found in a profile menu, often represented by your avatar or username in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In Account Settings, find and click on the option for Personal Information or Identity Verification. This section allows you to manage your personal details, including your legal name. Step 4. Update your legal name. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRF to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Submit your changes. After updating your name, submit the changes for review. You may receive a confirmation email or a notification regarding the status of your request. Be patient, as it may take some time for the changes to be processed. Once you've completed these steps, your legal name on KuCoin should be updated successfully. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to KuCoin's customer support for assistance.